In this video, I'll detail how to enable floating windows on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone and you want to add a floating window here, then this video is going to walk you through. So if you're done with this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn on or enable floating windows on Samsung Galaxy phone, all you just need to do is to go to your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on display. Once you selected that, just scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to Edge panels, then click on that. Then once you selected Edge panel, come here and turn this on. Then once you turn on Edge panel, click on panels. Then select the panels you want to show on your Samsung phone floating windows like this. Here you can see I have my applications. So if I select people, this is going to show people on the Edge panel here. And also if I select Smart Select, this is going to show Smart Select on the Edge panel. So like this. Then for people, this is going to show people. Then I can easily allow access, allow. Then you should see contact here. Now if I choose task, this is going to show task on the floating windows, all this. Then if you also choose weather, then disable this. Then you should see the weather report comes up on the floating windows. So now to show apps on floating windows, just select that and then go back. If you swipe up like this, you can just see the floating windows on your Samsung Galaxy device. You can edit this floating window by clicking on this edit pencil, then add more applications to the page. See that? So click on this and it's going to fill in the spot, then click on that one like that. So that is how you can easily add floating windows to Samsung Galaxy device. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.